Research indicates that utilizing a select group of impactful words can elevate speech quality by up to 10 times, making communication more engaging and more persuasive. Welcome to Business English Success Strategies, part of Mastering English Communications. This lesson is going to focus on enhancing daily English communication through the strategic use of powerful vocabulary words that can significantly improve speech effectiveness and confidence. Now, we're going to explore 7 versatile vocabulary words in detail, demonstrating their applications in various contexts and providing practical examples to ensure confident integration into everyday conversations. All right, let's get started. So this is going to be an introduction to business communication at this point, which will lead us into the rest of the lesson. And in this section, we're going to introduce the concept of using powerful vocabulary to enhance communication skills, setting the stage for learning impactful words that can elevate daily English usage. And I'm going to first start out with an introduction slide right after this that will highlight the significance of a powerful vocabulary in making speech more impressive and boosting confidence. Afterwards, we're going to see a slide on business English, and it outlines the plan to introduce 7 versatile vocabulary words aimed at enhancing conversational engagement and effectiveness. And then lastly, non-native English speakers. And this slide will emphasize the benefits of vocabulary empowerment, versatility in usage, and the importance of making lasting impressions in speech. So first up, introduction. Enhancing, and this should be a priority for us, enhancing vocabulary with the right type of powerful words. This is critical, the right type at the right time. So the right type of powerful words used correctly can dramatically improve your communication, making it 10 times more effective and boosting your confidence. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on the 7 impactful vocabulary words that I've chosen, which are versatile and applicable in various situations, ensuring they enrich your speech. And let me just say now, there are more than 7 impactful words, but I'm introducing these. And as time goes on and more lessons in the future, I will introduce more. And of course, you'll be able to identify and introduce your own. Now, research also shows that eloquent speakers are often perceived as more competent and trustworthy, highlighting the importance of a strong vocabulary in effective communication. Many times, how people perceive you becomes a reality, both for them and possibly for you as well. So, business English. Now, a well-chosen vocabulary can make your speech sound many times more impressive and improve your overall communication. Powerful vocabulary words, and especially the type that we're covering in this lesson, can be used in various contexts to enhance conversations. Words like fastidious and incongruous allow you to convey precision and highlight contrast effectively. Using expressive vocabulary not only makes you sound more intelligent, but also helps in building stronger relationships because of the more effective communication. Non-native English speakers. So here we're emphasizing the importance of using powerful vocabulary for effective communication. By enhancing vocabulary, you're empowering yourself to express complex ideas and engage your audience better. And I have more than one video on complex ideas using abstract nouns, things of this nature that you should take a look at. And then learning and integrating these new words will significantly improve the quality of your conversations. So let's take a look at understanding language nuances. Right. This is important because this is another way to enhance communication effectiveness and confidence. Now, this slide we will have next, so it's called nuanced understanding. And here we're going to explore how the term nuance enriches conversations by adding subtlety, emotional intelligence, and detail. Then we will have another slide that will introduce perspicacious insight. So don't freak out with that word. All right, wait till you get to the slide. But this will be fun because we're going to define a word that is perfectly acceptable in many business environments. And it's a term that conveys deep understanding and insightful impressions about people or situations. And then one I had mentioned previously, we will have a slide on this one, fastidious precision. This slide will highlight fastidious as a descriptor for quality professionalism or quality and professionalism, as well as high standards, outlining its key attributes. Nuanced understanding. So powerful vocabulary can transform everyday speech, making it much more engaging and impactful, leading to improved confidence and of course, an up-leveling of your communication skills. The word nuance adds depth to conversations, allowing for better understanding and emotional intelligence, particularly in negotiations and conflict resolution. Once again, research shows that effective communication is a key skill in professional settings. It's one of these soft or semi-soft skills that are much sought after by managers, human resources, etc. With 70% of employers valuing it highly. Let me repeat that, 70% of employers valuing it highly. So anecdotes from successful leaders highlight the importance of precise language in influencing and persuading others. Perspicacious insight. So here, we're emphasizing once again the power of impactful vocabulary in this phrase, word and phrase, perspicacious insight. And the key word here is also insight, right? It captures the essence of understanding and reflecting on language use, essential for effective communication. So using words like perspicacious allows a speaker to express nuanced ideas, demonstrating depth in understanding and engagement. Incorporating powerful vocabulary not only enhances clarity, but also helps in making a memorable impression during conversations. And here we have fastidious precision. So this icon list highlights key aspects of enhancing vocabulary and communication skills, crucial for anyone looking to improve English proficiency. Each item emphasizes a fundamental element of powerful vocabulary, enhancing expression, versatility in usage, and building confidence. These align with the slide's aim to teach effective communication through strong word choice. Incorporating these vocabulary enhancements not only improves speech, but also fosters better engagement and connection with others, making it easier to convey complex ideas. So engaging presentation techniques, right? It doesn't always mean you're standing in front of an audience in front of a slide presentation, but presenting your ideas, right, is another way of saying presentation. And we're going to highlight some engaging presentation techniques by introducing some vocabulary words that enhance communication and will help to hopefully captivate audiences for you. We're going to touch on enigmatic appeal. Now, the word enigmatic enriches conversations by invoking curiosity and sophistication around mysteries and ideas. Mellifluous is a word that describes smooth and pleasant. So we're going to have a slide on this. Smooth and pleasant sounds, enhancing descriptions of music or voices to evoke sensory appreciation. And insouciant, we're going to have a slide on insouciant charm. Insouciant adds a carefree and confident tone to descriptions, enriching conversations with warmth and personality. So there's no doubt about it. The impact of powerful vocabulary is profound. It can transform ordinary conversations into memorable exchanges. Yes, boosting both the confidence and the eloquence of the speaker and enriching the experience for the audience as well. So words like enigmatic describe mysteries and complexities, captivating audiences by encouraging creative thinking and deeper engagement with the topic at hand. Research shows that individuals who use a richer vocabulary tend to be perceived as more competent and persuasive. Makes perfect sense. Highlighting the importance of expanding one's linguistic repertoire. So I have a quote here. Words are, of course, the most powerful drug used by mankind, by Rudyard Kipling. So the core message of the quote emphasizes the immense influence that words can have on people, similar to a powerful drug, shaping thoughts and emotions. This quote aligns perfectly with the lesson topic as it underscores the idea that using powerful vocabulary can enhance communication and make it more impactful. And many of you may know Rudyard Kipling. He's a very important figure in English literature. So I'll just briefly say who he is. He was a British author and poet born in 1865, known for his works that reflect the complexities of British colonialism and the human experience. His literary contributions greatly influenced English literature. Now, Kipling did have an achievement, or many achievements, but importantly, one was winning the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1907. Insouciant charm. Hey. So this insouciant portrays a relaxed, confident demeanor, making descriptions more engaging and relatable. It's versatile, fitting into numerous conversations effortlessly. Research suggests that using varied vocabulary can improve listener engagement by up to 30%. Because you're introducing new words, more expressive. They're probably not hearing these on a regular basis. And or when they do hear words like this, they associate them with a person who is more competent, more engaging, more communicative, maybe more intelligent. And then mellifluous. So the beauty of this word lies in its ability to evoke emotions and sensations. Whether you're describing a piece of music, a voice, or even a natural sound, this word can help you create a sensory experience for your listeners. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your appreciation for beauty and aesthetics. So now we come to audience considerations. Here in this section, we're going to explore different audiences and how they benefit from this powerful vocabulary to enhance communication and expressiveness in various contexts. Business professionals. Powerful vocabulary can significantly enhance communication skills and create lasting impressions in professional environments, therefore furthering your career and success. ESL. So for ESL learners, using powerful vocabulary aids in mastering English nuances, leading to more impactful conversations. Incongruous, contrast. We'll have a slide on this. The word incongruous adds depth and surprise to descriptions, highlighting contrast effectively in language. So here we have an icon list. If you've been following my work, you know I love icon lists. And this icon list highlights key aspects of upgrading vocabulary for business professionals, emphasizing their relevance and enhancing communication skills. Each item illustrates the benefits of using powerful vocabulary, aligning with the objective of improving daily English and overall effectiveness in conversations. The list not only serves as a guide for vocabulary enhancement, but also emphasizes the transformative impact these words can have on professional interactions. This slide emphasizes the importance of vocabulary as well, right? So from an ESL perspective, understanding and using impactful words can transform ordinary conversations into more memorable exchanges. Definitely very important for someone who English is their second language. So mastering these words will not only enhance your English skills, but also leave a lasting impression on your audience and also boost your own confidence. And lastly, incongruous contrast. Okay, so incongruous means out of place. It adds depth and contrast to language, enriching descriptions and enabling nuanced expression. Don't forget that effective communication can lead to greater professional success. It's not always just about speaking English better. I mean, that's important. But as a business professional, you want professional success. So incorporating a strong vocabulary is key to standing out in conversations. So now that brings us to the end. Thank you. But before you go, please do, if you found this information useful, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, leave a comment because it helps us help you. And so I'll see you next time as we continue our linguistic adventure together. Take care, everyone.